Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a lift tour around Commonwealth Drive. So around these blocks. Here is an Otis lift at block 99 that is undergoing replacement. It is being replaced into an IFE like lift A. Level 2 still need to take lift. Just walk, man. Very inconvenient for the residents because you have to walk the stairs down. And you can see it serves all floors up to 8. Finally, intelligent leveling. It's 1 to 1. Hello guys.
Going down.
This lift is not as bad as the other IFE lifts, but I do not understand what was wrong with the Otis. It was working perfectly fine.
Story 1.
Up to 8 again. Listen to that close. Hell nah. IFE, Chevalier. Never stop 2024, 750 kg, 10%. I think that was the capacity of the Otis lift. Here we are at 8. The Otis lift used to serve 1, 5, and 8. Yeah. Let's hear the sound of the new chime. Sounds like absolute shit. Let's have a view of the window.
Going down.
I have to say though, this is pretty smooth. I do prefer IFE over EM though.
Story 1.
So now up to 8. Let's move on to the next block. Let's hear the closing sounds at the... What the hell? Let's read the documents. Yuck. Here we shut down. Be shut down. Chevalier Group. Replace. It was shut down May 29th this year, which is last month. Let's go to the next block. Oh, here guys, we are at block 102, Commonwealth Drive. This lift was shut down earlier. And here we have the same outcome. One lift replaced, and one lift on the stairs that isn't replaced. So again, this is previously Otis. The shit chime. You do not want to test the bell, trust me. I tested it before. Ah, no stupid closing. Actually, these leaves do not fit in the block. This block has retro vibes, but this leaf looks very futuristic and new. Here we are at 8.
Story 8.
Intelligent leveling, let's go. It's gonna stay there. Let's sound the chime. No animation. Here's the Otis. See, this is the shaft. This is the machine room. Let's go back.
Going down.
This is the same exact leaf found in block 99. Here we are, 1.
Story 1.
I do not like how the indicator is so deep inside, which makes it so hard for it to get seen by someone that's in the cab. Let's watch it close. Or if it's ever gonna close. Let's go to the next block. Here we are at block 104. The design has changed now. There are two Fujitec leaves opposite each other. These are 2000s Exodyne leaves. Exodyne II, I think it's second generation. Here comes leaf A. This was a replacement while this was an additional installation. Jump test. Sturdy. Then sleeve is relatively small, but still a decent size. Here we are 10. Let's turn this down to 1 and write the other leaves. Oof. Dewhurst buttons, fixtures. See you when the lift comes. Wow. Unique chime. 1. I don't like these Dewhurst fixtures. Yeah, this leaf is bigger. Dang, yeah, it's bigger. Can fit 2 more people inside. The button stuck. Doesn't slam like this one. Okay guys, on to the next block. Here we are at block 107. These are the same exact leaves. I'm only gonna take one of them because they're the same thing. Upside down reverse button. People cannot tell the braille. Here comes leaf B. Then, oh hell nah. Sturdy, very sturdy. Stuck the button. Oh, that one's very sensitive. Yeah, then. Here's leaf A. Chabom. This area is kind of sloping. Red button. Rough doors, man. Look at the window. Again. Oh, this one's 545. What? That's why it's a little bit tiny, little bit bigger. Okay, on to the next block. Yeah, I'm at block 109, and once again, the design has changed. Let's start with lift B. Up to 10. It's that beeping sound. I think it's coming from the lift. can hear it ringing. It's the same exact leaves but different arrangements. Let's write lift A. Replaced indicator. One. $545. Here we are at 1. On to the next block. Okay guys, let's end the video at Commonwealth Food Hawker Center and Market. Let's start with this most visible lift, which is this lift core elevator. No trolley. It's not very fast. Let's go up to 2. Let's go back down. Lift core. This lift is a little bit shaky. It's like bubble light. 2. This lift is pretty boring. Hello. Computer is very slow. Where are we at 2? See if it's crappy and generic-ish. Yeah, it's very generic. Max speed is like 0.65 ms. Let's go out. Now let's go to the Schindler elevator. Now what used to be the passenger lift turned into a delivery lift. Nice Euro chime. Let's go up. Here we are. Instant leveling. The close button broken. Hello? Yes, that's what I like to see. Reopening. The Schindler logo was ripped out. I think this lift might be gone soon, in a few years. Close. This lift has a very nice standard interior. I like the speed, it's very fast. It's like 2 times faster of the other lift. Instant, bro. Just that this button's broken. Maybe this one isn't. This one also broken. The door open button broken. Hello? Yes, door open, nothing works. I think this, I don't know if this lift was original to this building. Probably not. Here we are at one. Thank you guys for watching this very long lift tour. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.